Hey guys, just got into the office and it's after a long weekend. I stopped at the gym and I did my workout, mostly the abs, traps, lateral crunches with weights. And then what I did was pull-ups for my biceps and the latissimus dorsi, the big muscles in the back, that cover like 2/3 of the back. And now I just got into the office and I'm making this electrolyte drink. This is called Hydralyte. And instead of buying Hydralyte next time, I'm going to buy something called Nuun, N-U-U-N tablets. They're a little healthier than the Hydralytes, but the Hydralytes are second best. And I had those in the cabinet. Just going to use them up and then switch to Nuun. The electrolyte water is important to replenish your electrolytes. So after I have this, I'm going to have an americano. You could probably hear the coffee maker going, getting the clinic ready. It's going to be a busy day today, being just after a long weekend. And if you do need some help, I'm in the Kelowna area. I'm a chiropractor. Been practicing for 30 years. Use traditional hands-on adjustments, more contemporary instrument types of adjustments. We do shockwave laser here, as well as orthotics and custom-made orthopedic shoes. And we are accepting new patients. Usually we can see a new patient 24 to 48 hours. No doctor referrals needed. We bill directly to insurance, including ICBC. Just had a new patient with a car accident, whiplash type of injury from a rear ender last week. So if you do need help, click on the link in the bio or the link in this post, and I'll see you soon.